Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to explain about the difference between NPTEL normal certificate and NPTEL modified pass certificate. So why I am covering this lesson? Actually a lots of NPTEL learner is requesting me on the WhatsApp as well as social media handle that what is difference between the normal certificate and NPTEL modified certificate and why NPTEL is issuing uh, modified certificate and what will be the date the certificate will be provided from NPTEL side and should how they are going to on what basis they are going to provide those certificate. So please watch the complete video even without skipping the single second so you can get complete information about the NPTEL modified pass certificate and NPTEL normal certificate. And still at the end of video, if you have resolved with any question, please don't hesitate to ask the question. I will be always there to reply you out and solve your doubts related to NPTEL. Okay, guys. So coming to let me talk about the NPTEL main certificate. In NPTEL main certificate, you can see it is going to be one difference on the top page. You can see that is a score and the type of certificate will be mentioned. Okay, so based on the score you will get the type of certificate will be issued. So like if your score is 90 or greater than 90, elite plus gold will be there. If your score is from 75 to 89, your certificate will be elite plus silver. So the score is 80 that comes under the second category. So this is elite and the silver is here. Right. So like that you will get those certificate and if your score is less than 40, you will not get certificate. If that is main. Okay. I will explain the difference one by one. Please uh, stay patient. And you can see in modified certificate there is no such type of division is there. However, the credit is equal. 3 credit and in the actual certificate also you can see the credit is 3. Address is common. Okay. So what the next difference? The next difference is in NPTEL actual certificate you can see online assignment score, programming assignment score or protected exam score. So like if your subject the course has no online programming test then you may get like online assignment score and protected exam score like that you will get. Okay, and the percentage will be there and those score detail will be the below mentioned like that. But coming to NPTEL COVID like a modified pass certificate, there will be no such things will be mentioned. Only your score percentage will be mentioned. So now you may getting the next doubt like in NPTEL actual certificate this is 80%. So how that 80%? So actually that is done the sum of that obtained mark. So that is 80% is there. Okay. Then coming to this online mode, sorry, NPTEL modified pass certificate, how the score is 96. So this 96 is based on the assignment you have submitted. Okay. So like it is a 12-week course, so best 8-week assignment score will be calculated and taken to the percentage and that will be percentage will be provided. Okay. But in actual all examination assignment programming test if there is applicable and protected exam score will be added and it will be calculated. Okay. And also there is no such any tag is mentioned like it is pandemic effect a semester like those things will be not mentioned. But if that is modified pass certificate then there will be even semester will be mentioned. The next thing is there is no roll number will be provided in online this Saudi this pass modified pass certificate there will be no roll number. Okay. However, you will get QR code. Okay. Saudi roll number is there and QR code is also there, but continuous online assessment score is there. Some tag is there that changes is there. Let me. zoom out, sorry. Okay. Okay. So there is like continuous online assessment score is mentioned, but in actual there is roll number is given, no such thing is mentioned like this is continuous to just a score assessment score online score is such thing is not mentioned. Okay. And the next thing is this actual certificate is going to counted towards your domain certificate, NPTEL domain certificate, and also NPTEL FDP certificate, faculty certificate, that is FDP. Okay, but the next thing is that like all what if, sorry, let me, okay. So if that is NPTEL modified pass certificate, that is not going to be counted towards your NPTEL domain certificate as well as FDP. And if you want to know the more detail about FDP and that domain certificate, then I am going to provide the link in video description. Please check it out. What is NPTEL domain certificate? Even you can check what is NPTEL star certificate. And moreover, also you can check it out what is FDP certificate. Okay. So that is the rough difference between the NPTEL actual certificate and modified pass certificate. So actually last semester this certificate I got in last semester. So before writing actual exam I got this certificate, and after that I attempted the exam. I had not cancelled the exam, so I got this actual certificate also. So I have for same courses two certificate. Okay. However, I am going to provide this certificate only because this is actually I have attempted and written at center, and this is just based on the online assignment what weekly you are getting. Okay. The next thing is like some of you are in final year and some credit is given to your college or your syllabus. Like if you are in BTech, then some credit is required from NPTEL to get the final certificate. And still exam is not going to conduct by NPTEL due to pandemic, and it is uncertain that when the exam will be conducted. So in that case, NPTEL is providing that NPTEL modified pass certificate. So sooner within 2 week, NPTEL once NPTEL will talk about like NPTEL modified pass certificate, then within 2 week NPTEL will provide the mail you got. Let me clear it. The mail you got that NPTEL is going to provide NPTEL modified pass certificate. From that day, within 2 weeks, you will get NPTEL modified pass certificate, and you can download that certificate and you can submit to your respective faculty or HOD or institute, and you will also get credit transfer or whatever requirement is that you will get. And regarding your college will take it as a credit or not, don't worry. NPTEL has already got permission from AICTE, NBA, and those all authority. And NPTEL will also update one separate page on the NPTEL portal. So that will also show that validity and those all guidelines. So your college and faculty, everyone will agree with your credit. So you will get credit. And even if you are getting the NPTEL modified pass certificate and you want to attempt the exam in coming semester, then you can uh, attempt that exam. And even you need not to cancel the exam if you are willing to write the exam. However, if you are also willing to cancel the exam, so you can cancel, but you will get NPTEL modified pass certificate that will be applicable. Even you cancel the exam, those certificate will be available in your NPTEL portal profile. So those certificate will not be revoked. Okay. Then the next question may be who are going to get that NPTEL modified pass certificate. So based on the last year my experience, those people who have registered for NPTEL exam by paying the fee, and though that person is going to cancel the exam or not cancel the exam, those all are going to get NPTEL modified pass certificate. And later on who have not cancelled the exam, they may also get chance to write the final exam whenever be conducted. And those people who have cancelled the exam, they need not to do anything. So they can also enroll and they can write, register for exam and write for the next time. So that is completely the different matter. I hope I have cleared with all the doubt. And still, if you have any doubt, then please don't hesitate to ask. I am always there to help you out. Please, and please keep on watching my video. And if you really like my content, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with other learner so they will also get some help. And I repeat, I am going to provide video link in the video description, like what is NPTEL domain certificate, what is NPTEL FDP certificate, how to become NPTEL star, those all detail. Even I am going to mention how to register NPTEL best courses. So please keep on watching, check those videos also. Once again, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Code Guru. Happy learning.